So 15th of March 2020, another sunny day in Belgrade. Not as sunny as the one that I recorded a few days ago, but sunny enough for the people to sit outside, enjoy their drinks or take a walk. We are now on the other side of Sava river, looking from, compared to the position where I was a few days ago. So this is Sava river, and the thing over there, I'll just show you, is Ada Ciganlija river island, and then on the other side of the Ada river island is the lake Ada Ciganlija, which I was filming a few days ago. These are numerous floating boats, restaurants, cafe bars. This is typical for this bank of Sava river. There are also private houses, floating, especially there on Ada. You see a lot of them. And okay, this is the pedestrian road next to Sava, where people are taking a walk regularly. There are two levels, one here and one there, where these practically artificial hill, which is used for anti-flood, practically protection against flood, because the level behind this hill is also the same as here, but sometimes Sava river can go up to the second level of defense. Usually in normal circumstances it's below this first level of defense. There are some ducks. So as you can see, a lot of people, not as many as on a really sunny day, but still quite some number of people walking, enjoying the sunny day. However, tomorrow all this can change radically, because there are some rumors that our government will be introducing, as we say in Serbian, vanredno stanje, which means extraordinary condition. Roughly translated. In essence, it means that the restriction of all kinds will be imposed, including possibly the ones related to free walking, getting out of the apartments, etc., etc. So we'll see if this happens in the evening. The rumor says that today in the evening they will announce these extraordinary measures because of the coronavirus. But we still hope that this is not going to happen, because this will then mean that practically similarly to Italy, as we speak, there will be no people walking, no cafe bars, no restaurants, almost nothing, nada. As I said, we all hope this is not going to happen. Again, for the ones that maybe know Belgrade better, the ducks are really vertical takeoff. This is the so-called New Belgrade. The buildings that we see belong to the so-called Block 44. Here to the left is Block 45, and a bit further down are blocks 70 and 70A. The famous bridge over Sava river with one pylon, a big pylon, is over there. Some aeroplanes, because we are relatively close to the Belgrade airport Nikola Tesla, and so on. So today it looks like a really regular, normal day, except for the few of these masks. but very few people, I mean, have them here in Serbia. Tomorrow this all may change. We'll see if it will happen or not. So, talk to you tomorrow.